Alright, hello everyone. This is our soffit construction video. You see all this vented soffit? That's great. That's providing all ventilation for this whole roof underneath these skylights and everything, or solar panels. Then when you get up here, you see, oh, well, that's not aluminum. And then you look at this here, these screens, they're all plugged as plugged can be. And there's no ventilation going on here. Absolutely none. None whatsoever. So how's this roof going to perform? It's going to fail a lot faster.